The D4000 Auto Optic can be calibrated for measurement of barcodes of various colors. This is accomplished by using the RJS calibration plaque. This training video will walk you through the calibration process. It should be noted that this video only applies to the D4000 Auto Optic, as both the D4000 Laser and the D4000 SP do not measure reflected light, so they do not have a calibration procedure. Older units will have a metal calibration plaque like this, while any units manufactured since 2010 will have a film calibration plaque like this. Either plaque will work, but it's very important to only use the calibration plaque with a serial number that match the serial number on your barcode verifier. This is important because each barcode verifier is set to the specific reflectance values on the matching calibration plaque. To start the calibration procedure, press the On button to power up your barcode verifier. To access the main menu, press and hold the Enter button. While holding the Enter button, press the Select button. The display should have a flashing cursor over the S in Scan. Press the Select button to move the cursor to Calibrate, and press the Enter button. This will bring up the reflectometer mode. This can be helpful when designing artwork and selecting background and barcode colors. It's also a way to check the accuracy of your verifier. Place the red light of the Auto Optic over the white square and compare the reflectance percentage to the value written on the calibration plaque. My unit is reading 86%, and the plaque is also 86%. So the verifier is measuring the white value perfectly. However, plus or minus 2% is acceptable. Next, move the Auto Optic to the black square, and again compare the verifier to the plaque, and ensure it's within the same plus or minus 2%. If it is within 2%, press the Enter and Select at the same time to exit the calibration screen. Otherwise, press the Enter button, which will bring up Calibrate on the display. Press Enter again, and place the red light of the Auto Optic over the white square. Keep light pressure on the Auto Optic, and press the Enter button. The unit will step through calibration of all 4 apertures, sizes of light, for both the red and infrared light sources. Once it is complete, the display will instruct you to move the Auto Optic to the black square. Then press the Enter button, and your barcode verifier will repeat the calibration for each of the apertures and light sources for the black value. Following the calibration, check that both the white and black squares are now within plus or minus 2%. If not, repeat the calibration process. You will need to send your barcode verifier for service if after a couple of attempts, or if during the calibration process, an error message is displayed. You can request an RMA number from our website at www.rjs1.com. This completes the process of calibrating your barcode verifier.